Gemini Credit Card Review. Pros. Earn up to 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on other purchases. Earn rewards in Bitcoin or any crypto on Gemini, and receive rewards in real time. No exchange fees to acquire your crypto rewards. Manage and freeze your card from the app. No annual fee. Cons. No welcome bonus. Only 2 bonus categories. The card FAQ is short on the details, e.g. we don't know what up to 3% cashback on dining really means yet. Highlights. Earn up to 3% back on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on other purchases. Crypto rewards will automatically be deposited into the cardholder's Gemini account. The Gemini Credit Card will pay crypto rewards out at the time of purchase. No annual fee. Cardholders will have access to customer support through a variety of channels, including 24/7 live agent support. Introduction. Regardless of whether you believe cryptocurrency is the future of money or not, it's undeniable that crypto has generated a lot of buzz. Accordingly, we have begun to see credit cards offer rewards in the form of crypto. If you're in the market for a crypto earning card, the Gemini Credit Card definitely warrants a look. The Gemini Credit Card offers the ability to earn cryptocurrency rewards in real time. Gemini states that you will earn up to 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on other purchases in any cryptocurrency that can be traded on Gemini's platform. That means you're not limited to Bitcoin. You could also earn Ethereum, or even some of the smaller upstart cryptocurrencies. Unlike other crypto rewards earning cards, your rewards are earned in real time, meaning you will hold the crypto soon after your purchases. With some other cards, you actually earn cashback, which is converted to cryptocurrency at the end of the month. That unnecessarily weds you to the exchange rate on the day that your rewards are redeemed. By contrast, with the Gemini Credit Card, you receive rewards sooner, so you can benefit from any price appreciation if it occurs. You also do not have to worry about any exchange fees while earning your rewards. While the cryptocurrency earning for the Gemini Credit Card TM is straightforward and user-friendly, the card does have some drawbacks. As of right now, Gemini has not announced any welcome bonus for the card, as we wait for the card to be released. In addition, the card only has 2 bonus categories, dining and groceries, and adds the caveat up to with no additional information. You earn 1% on all other purchases, but there are much better cashback bonus category cards. Ultimately, the Gemini Credit Card feels like it could be a solid, but not spectacular crypto earning card. If you want the convenience of your rewards going directly into crypto, this no annual fee card may be for you. However, spending on a cashback credit card and converting that cash to the cryptocurrency of your choice might present a better value proposition overall if you're willing to put in the extra work. At a glance, no annual fee. Earn up to 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on other purchases. Access your card number in Apple Pay or Google Pay in-app as soon as you're approved. Manage and freeze your card from the app. Available to all U.S. residents. Spend worldwide anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Rewards. Earning rewards. The Gemini Credit Card currently does not offer a welcome bonus. The card offers real-time cryptocurrency earning of any cryptocurrency, available on Gemini's trading platform. The amount of crypto earned is based on the following rates. We're basing our review on these levels, but be sure to take note of the up to in the marketing before applying to the card. 3% earned on dining, 2% earned on groceries, 1% earned on all other purchases. One distinguishing feature of the Gemini Credit Card is the ability to earn your crypto rewards in real time. Gemini states that you will earn your crypto according to the above rates when you make your purchases, without having to wait for your statement to close. That potentially gives you the benefit of any increases in the value of your crypto before your statement closes, though of course you also are subject to any potential losses as well. Redeeming rewards. Gemini has not yet announced the mechanism by which your crypto earnings will be added to your account. We expect to hear more about this when the card is released. Rewards potential. Government spending data shows that the typical family in the 70th percentile of wage earners spends $4,406 on restaurants and $5,687 on groceries per year. Earning 3% on dining and 2% on groceries would result in $245.92 earned, which would be converted to the cryptocurrency of your choice in real time. The remaining $16,317 would earn $163.17, for a total of $409.09 in crypto. This card is probably not a family's best for ongoing purchases. You're better off with a 2% cash back card, like the Citi Double Cash, which earns 1% cash back when the purchase is made, and another 1% when the purchase is paid off. You can take the 2% cash back from the Citi Double Cash and invest it back into crypto if you want and earn twice as much cryptocurrency.